everyone, you might have tried different kinds of ladoos, but nothing can beat the taste or the health benefits of dry fruits and nuts ladoo. Let's see how to make it in taste and flavor. Let's see how to make this healthy and delicious dry fruits and nuts ladoo. A simple, easy and healthy snack. All you need is 1 cup each of cashews, almonds, walnuts, pecans, dates and raisins. Note that I have used all organic nuts and dates here, but you can pick and choose according to your availability. Coarse grind it in a blender. To this, we are going to add half cup of ghee. So ghee holds up together all these ingredients when we roll them into a ball. Plus, it adds a lot of flavor to our ladoo. Now, add ghee to the palm of your hand and roll the mixture into a ball. Delicious, mouth-watering dry fruits and nuts ladoo ready to be served. These can be consumed in a week if left outside, or you can refrigerate them up to 3 weeks and can still use it. Turns out to be fresh. I've used here edible gold foil for decoration. It's completely optional. But this is an excellent way to make a dessert easy and simple, especially to impress your guest. I hope you're going to enjoy this recipe. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Get dazed in flavor.